We've taken a look at 3 possible backup scenarios that we've used from time to time for all of our clientele. So now the question is, are there other ways your organization can overcome these challenges? Consider what we call cloud redundancy. With cloud redundancy, you're leveraging the sophistication and the economy of a professional phone system managed by someone else. The cloud or hosted phone replaces costly POTS lines, your cable, your wireless solution with a more flexible alternative. So let's take a look at a few scenarios, typical scenarios that your business may have to overcome in order to survive a service interruption. In scenario 1, your primary service is interrupted. Your phone system has no outside dial tone. What do? You can redirect calls to the backup phone line. However, as we highlighted earlier, this option is getting more expensive and it's limited in terms of features and functionality. For example, if you have mobile staff or home-based workers tied to your phone system, a POTS line environment will not necessarily be able to handle all the capacity and certainly won't handle all the functions that you need, like transferring calls between staff and departments during an outage. With a cloud-based backup system, we can mimic all the features of your phone system and continue providing those same features to clients and to staff during an outage. The second scenario we want to highlight is the power loss scenario. And power losses usually are the most difficult scenarios, the most difficult problems to overcome. After all, how do we overcome a loss of power to the phone system? First and foremost, you want to ensure that your system has some type of battery backup in place to protect your equipment and to provide a window of uptime while power is being restored. Battery backup systems, however, can become costly depending on the length of uptime that you need. With battery backup, the longer the uptime that's required, the more expensive the battery backup system will cost you. So this is another scenario where a cloud-based voice service gives you options that you simply didn't have before. For example, clients can still reach a system greeting for your business, an extension list for all your personnel during that power outage. The reason this is possible is because all calls are now being rerouted to the cloud system, which is of course located in another place. During a power outage scenario, a different set of rules need to be established. Since your local phone system may be depleted or without power, the cloud system must send calls elsewhere. Depending upon your staff, you can redirect specific calls to cell phones or perhaps to extensions for home workers during a power outage. Also, with the cloud solution, clients can reach specific staff and continue doing business depending upon how we have the backup system organized. Now, while this scenario may not ensure full capacity, the cloud solution gives you the ability to conduct business on a limited basis during a power outage. VoIP-based phone systems, or voice over IP, deliver very nice features and very nice services. Unfortunately, these systems have also proven vulnerable to internet-based attacks by cybercriminals. In most cases, when this occurs, the phone system is rendered useless by a denial of service attack, whereby the phone switch is overrun with ping requests by some outside computer. In this situation, your IT staff can redirect your calls to your cloud-based phone system to handle calls in much the same manner we described during the power loss scenario. In each of these scenarios, your business benefits from a system that can be utilized quickly and easily. What's just as important is the fact you can deliver the same greetings and phone environment to your clients in your backup environment. The cloud services can also do it better and in most cases for less money than our traditional disaster recovery solutions. I want to thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate and give RAM Communications a call today. We are invested in your long-term success, and we're here to help protect your organization. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.